Why do most people stay broke? Even when they work hard every single day. They wake up early. They go to work. They earn money. But at the end of the month, there's nothing left. Where did it all go? Here's the truth. It's not your job. It's not your salary. It's the system you're following. And if you don't fix it, you stay stuck. The problem? Most people believe one thing. If I earn more money, my life will change. So they chase raises. They chase new jobs. They chase more income. But something strange happens. Every time they earn more, they spend more. New phone, better clothes, more eating out, more comfort. And suddenly, they're still broke, just at a higher level. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it traps millions of people. The broke cycle. Let's break it down. This is the cycle most people live in. Earn, spend, feel broke, repeat. No saving, no investing, no long-term thinking. Just survival. Month after month. Year after year. And the worst part? It feels normal. Why this happens? There are 3 hidden reasons. 1. No financial education. Most people were never taught how money works. School teaches math, but not money. So people learn by guessing. And guessing leads to mistakes. 2. Instant gratification. We want things now, not later. Buy now. Enjoy now. Think later. But wealth works the opposite way. Sacrifice now. Enjoy later. 3. No system. People don't have a plan. They just react. Money comes in and disappears. No structure. No direction. The solution. You don't need more stress. You don't need a second job. You need a simple system. 3 rules. Keep more than you spend. Save before you spend. Make your money grow. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Step-by-step plan. Step 1. Become aware. Track your money for 7 days. Everything. Food. Transport. Small things. This shows you the truth. Most people are shocked here. Step 2. Break the spend habit. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Not everything is necessary. Cut small things first. Not everything. Just enough. Step 3. Pay yourself first. This changes everything. Before you spend anything, save something. Even 10%. Example. Earn $500, save $50 first. Then spend. Not the other way around. Step 4. Control lifestyle inflation. When income increases, don't upgrade your life immediately. Upgrade your savings. Example. Extra $100 income. Save $70. Spend $30. Stay ahead. Step 5. Start investing. Saving is not enough. Money must grow. Even small amounts matter. Time makes it powerful. Real-life example with numbers. Let's compare 2 people. Same income. Different results. Person A earns $500 per month, spends everything. After 10 years, savings equals $0. Still struggling. Person B earns $500 per month, saves $50 per month. That's $600 per year. After 10 years, $6,000 saved. Now invest at 8%. It keeps growing. After 20 years, over $29,000 plus. From small savings. No extra income. Just discipline. The mindset shift. Rich thinking is simple. Don't spend what's left after saving. Save what's left after spending. This one shift changes everything. Simple recap. Why do people stay broke? Because they spend everything, save nothing, don't invest. Repeat the same cycle. How do you escape? Spend less than you earn, save first, invest consistently. That's the system. You don't need to stay stuck. You don't need to stay broke. You just need to change your system. Start small. Start today. And if you want simple, clear money strategies. Subscribe to Capital Compass. We break down money so anyone can understand it. No confusion. No stress. Just results. Powerful ending. Your income doesn't decide your future. Your habits do.